I'm reaching you live from Lagos, Nigeria. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to transcribe with this app. Guys, if you follow these steps, you won't get any problem, and then you don't need to be a professional. Okay? First thing here is to let you understand that what you understand by transcription. Edited transcription is where the complete accurate script is formalized and edited for readability, conscience, and clarity. Okay, for professional transcription, the average time to transcribe one audio hour range from 2 to 3 hours. Some of the most qualified transcripts can transcribe up to 30 minutes of audio in an hour. Okay, but guys, in this video I promise you to give you an app that you don't need to be a professional. Just get this app immediately. You see this test it to this app, and the app will do everything, the punctuation, everything, and it will correct everything. Okay, so at the end of this video, I promise you to give you this app. You don't need to be a professional before you can be a transcript. Okay, so let's get the tutorial started now, and then you can see that this is the app now, AAA transcription. And then in this app, you don't need any test. What you need to do, just fill the application and submit it. If you are qualified, they are going to test you immediately. I will show you what you can do in order to acquire you for this job. Here we go now. As you can see, this is the home page of the app. Work for us. As you can see, work for us here. Okay, so the first thing here, as you can see, the law here, work from home. All you need is a computer and internet connection. Stay busy. We have a steady steam project waiting for you. So there's a lot of work. You don't need that. Whether there's no work, forget about that one. Get paid reliably. Receive regular payout via paper for all work completed. So in this one now, they will pay you through your paper account. So if you don't have paper account, please go and open it. You can check on my video. I have taught you how to open a paper account. Okay, so it's very easy. You can paper account, how to open a paper account in Nigeria that work in Nigeria. Okay guys, so aside from that, enjoy work variety, transcribe a motivational interview one day and book research the next. Okay, work flexible hours, work as much as little as you want. If you want a part-time job, if you want a full-time job, if you want a weekend job, everything is available in this one. Just describe or say whatever you want. Okay, to apply for a role of transcriber and join our evergreen team, please fill up the following below. So you have to fill the form. You can see this is the form now. Okay, this is where I will show you what exactly to do. For instance, now you can see that the name is there. You write your name. Okay, you write your name. You write your name there, and then your name. After your name, you write your phone number and your email address and the experience you have. Okay, your experience, you can write experience there. Okay, and then in this area, in this box area, what you write, you can see that when are you available to work during the week. Okay, for me what I'm doing, how they accepted me is that I give them that 24 hours in a day. So by the time you say 24 hours in a day, so they will now know that this person is available for any work that comes, maybe impromptu work, you are available to it. So it makes them to consider than saying part-time. Or it's not that they will not take you, but it make it consider person to to accept you. If you say you want 24 hours, that's how they accept me. I don't know. Okay, it may also work for you like that. Okay, so the next thing to do is just to check out I am not a robot. Okay, so when you check out I'm not a robot, it will bring to submit. Immediately it submits. So you just, what you need to do is just calm down. At the time you calm down, you are going to be sent an email whether you have qualified or not. They will send an email. Immediately you qualify like this, guy, you are good to go. You will be swimming in money. Okay, so, and as I promise you that at the end of this video, I'm going to give you some app that you will be using in order to transcribe all these words, so that will give you good punctuation, good question mark, everything like that. I will help you change the word that is not even corrected. Okay, for instance, now the first app you have to use is what is Oregon. Oregon is the app that you can download from Google Store or your Play Store. Okay, so, or you use Google Assistant. Okay, Google Assistant can also help you. The speech note is for long recording. Maybe the word is long recording, you can use speech note. Okay, and then we have voice note also. All this is what you can use to transcribe. You don't need to be a professional, you don't need to be a grammarian. By this, all this app, forget, you are good to go with this app. If you find this tutorial useful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and make sure you comment and you like this video. As you like this video and you subscribe, you are motivating me to produce more video. Okay, so guys, thank you for being there, thank you for watching. Peace.